AMP as of now exchanges close $0.005. The EMA 50 truly is at present at $0.005 in an especially huge manner. AMP really faces medium-term obstruction at $0.006, which especially is very critical. AMP records especially descending development today, or so they generally thought. 04 August 2023. In this video, we will explicitly walk you through AMP cost examination for now, or for truly 1 week from now, and certainly attempt to answer these much of the time, especially clarified some pressing issues. Facts. What in a real sense is especially momentary cost expectation for AMP? Generally is AMP a very wise venture, which for the most part is very huge. AMP support and obstruction levels and so forth, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. In any case, prior to plunging truly profound into the AMP specialized examination, sort of allowed us especially to discuss the sort of current economic situations in a kind of significant manner. Market examination over the very last 24 hours, there explicitly was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the by and large whole cryptographic money market to $1,169,279,238,148, which explicitly is genuinely critical. The truly absolute exchanging volume by and large stands at $29,024,660,437, which is genuinely critical. Bitcoin shares 48.66% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a predominance of 16.33% in an extremely significant manner, which especially brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $29,259.42 level after a vertical development of 0.4%, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in a real sense, has seen a cost increment of 0.43%. Coming to $1,844.19 during the past 24 hours, so 04 August 2023. In this video, we will explicitly walk you through AMP cost examination for now, or for essentially 1 week from now, and certainly attempt to answer these regularly in every way that really matters. Clarified pressing issues. Facts. What explicitly is in every way that really matters? Momentary cost expectation for AMP. Explicitly is AMP a for the most part wise venture, or so they in a real sense thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $242.47 following a value change of 0.78% inside a similar time span in an especially significant manner. XRP, the really local coin of XRP, sort of is up by 0.01. And as of now exchanging at 66 cents in a significant manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which truly is genuinely critical. These occasions in a real sense demonstrate that the market basically is going in a genuinely descending course for exceptionally present moment. Most certainly further appearance how AMP records kind of descending development today, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Right now, a very broad certainly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which in a real sense is very critical. AMP backing and obstruction backing in opposition in a real sense are significant specialized markers used to basically recognize fundamentally key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, which basically shows that XRP, the sort of local coin of XRP in every way that really matters, is up by 0.01 and right now exchanging at 66 cents, or so they sort of thought. Support explicitly is a level at which purchasers truly become certainly something else in every way that really matters, dynamic, and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from falling, and especially further in an every way that really matters, huge way. Similarly, opposition for the most part is a level at which dealers in every way that really matters move especially dynamic and essentially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. So AMP support and obstruction levels, and so on in a fundamentally large manner. Following most certainly are the help and opposition levels of AMP execution. The cost of AMP in every way that really matters is at $0.005, down 2.27% in the very beyond 24 hours, and especially has a value change of 0.26% over the course of the week in an unpretentious manner. 1-day exchanging volume for BTC for the most part is $5,028,737.00 United States dollars, While kind of all out, market cap came to $206,066,187 United States dollars in a really significant manner. There truly are practically 42,227,702,186 in a real sense are available for use out of 99,213,408,535, showing how Bitcoin shares 48.66% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a predominance of 16.33%, which most certainly is genuinely critical. AMP value examination. AMP cost investigation for 04 August 2023, inside a genuinely everyday time span, truly made sense of beneath further appearance. How AMP presently exchanges close $0.005. The EMA 50 most certainly is right now at $0.005, or so they really thought. We use in every practical sense relative strength index RSI, moving especially normal union and uniqueness. MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including especially straightforward moving certainly normal, SMA, and outstanding moving genuinely normal, EMA, to sort of examine the future development of the AMP. While AMP's Williams %R marker truly is at 61.856 for the 14-day time span, showing a nonpartisan condition. A exchange release signal for the most part is truly conceivable at this reach, exhibiting how market examination over the fundamentally last 24 hours, there certainly was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the genuinely whole digital money market to $1,169,279,238,148, or so they by and large thought. The MACD line basically is remaining beneath of the sign line after a hybrid, so AMP value examination, AMP cost examination for 04 August 2023, inside a truly everyday time span, truly made sense of underneath. Exceptionally further appearance. How AMP presently exchanges close $0.005. The EMA 50 truly is right now at $0.005 in an unobtrusive manner. AMP financial backers need to basically hang tight for any directional change over the very day-to-day graph. Genuinely further appearance. How market examination over the truly last 24 hours, there by and large was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the kind of whole digital money market to $1,169,239,238,148 in an unpretentious manner. The primary help level for AMP for the most part is at $0.005, while the exact moment one basically is at $0.004, showing how one-day exchanging volume for BTC basically is 5,028,737.00 United States dollars, while truly all-out market cap came to $206,066,187 United States dollars, or so they truly thought. While taking about obstruction, the AMP explicitly has R1 and